Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and it's time for an unboxing. That's why you're here, right? You want to take a look at what we're doing? We are doing Main Street Mail. This is their $100 box plus shipping. And that's all coming up right now. Alright, I pre-cut it, so I save you a little pain from watching me do that because there's a lot of tape on this one. You ready? Oh. I saw this on Instagram. Oh, and the confetti's purple. Alright. Let's see. So first of all, they always include a watercolor or pen drawing, and this one is the Mad Hatter. They always do such a good job with that. Chris, we hope you enjoy these items we selected. One of these items is for Mary. Boo. She liked one we posted, so we sent her this one. Hint: Mary's item goes with this card's theme. Main Street Mail. Oh. Goes with the Mad Hatter, so it's right there.
So I get that and the pillow?
You don't get the pillow. So this is Alice from Alice in Wonderland. Oh, it's a ring holder. That's cool. I will pop this out of the box and throw it in the photo box so you can take a look at it. Boop. Nice. I like it.
It's not gonna hold my ring.
You're just gonna open that now?
Huh? Did you want me to open it or not?
Oh, you can open it if you want. She's
thought,
excited.
I thought you... What'd you say?
I booped it into the photo box.
Why?
I don't know. We're gonna get it out now. Thanks, Mary. See, that's why we don't unpackage while we're recording, because that's all you hear all the time. Okay, so now that it's out of the package, I'll just boop it into the photo box again. That's cool, right? Alright, so let's see. Now we have a really cool throw pillow. This is what I saw on Instagram. It is, let's see. It's got a zipper so you can wash the cover. Wed Enterprises Disneyland Haunted House. Why? What do you mean yours? And Disneyland, same thing on both sides. So that is really cool. I love the blueprint stuff. And it's really thick and feels like really sturdy. Like, made well. I'm open!
Give me my pillow.
Alright, it's time to move this to the floor. No, I held it up.
I don't watch your video.
Thanks. Alright, let's get into some confetti. This is a weird one. Come back. Alright. So here, that all went behind my back. Here is the spoiler sheet. We'll hold on to that for later. Here is something. So you get to see me use the knife after all. Oh. Happy birthday, many happy returns. Wood parts card. Mickey's made out of wood? So this is... It's a birthday card, and it comes with an envelope. And... that is so cool. So he's like a laser cut wood Mickey. So he kind of sticks off the front of the page. I'll put that in the photo box so you can get a better look at it. That's really cool. Boop. Sorry, I got distracted. I got Mickey. Alright. Then we have... what is this? So this has... it's Mickey Mouse and Friends. Christmas ornament. Which Mickey is this? Because it almost looks like Sorcerer, but it's not. I'm so confused. It's really cute, though. So I will, I'm just keeping this to myself, checking it out. Sorry. It's, you know, it's Mickey stuff. I can't help it. I will throw that in the photo box. Boop, so you can also enjoy it. That is so cool. Thank you, ladies. Alright. Then we have... oh boy. This will be the first and last time I get to see this. Look at how cool that Haunted Mansion tumbler is. Or travel mug, whatever you want to call it. Society 6. So it has the back... well, I'll put it in the photo box on the turntable so you can look. It has the wallpaper... boop, all the way around it, and then it has the big plaque like you see when you walk up to the ride. That is really cool. Stainless steel on the inside. And I'll never see it again. Oh, that's true. I will see it in the video. And lastly, oh. Please tell me this is vintage. This is super cool. It's Mickey golfing, and it says swoosh. It's in a mat. I don't know how well. Oh, that turned out alright. So I will take the plastic off and throw it in the photo box, and so you can see it. Boop. I wonder if this is one of the early ones that they used to do. Like, they still do them in the parks, but this looks like an earlier style. He's even... that's so cool. Alright, so. Keep getting distracted by Mickey. Alright, let's take a look at the... again, this is a $100 box plus shipping. It is the Castle Correspondent box. And it says for Chris. Ha! It does too. See, you can see. Boop, tell her. It does, doesn't it? Alright. The ornament is from Japan. Oh, it's Figaro. That's who it is. Alright. The blueprint pillow, Henry Conrad Taylor, $29.99. Travel mug. I'm not gonna... $29. Vintage print. Right? Yes. Yeah. It is vintage. $15.99. That for $15.99. That's cool. Jewelry stand, $20. Greeting card, $5 for the wooden carved Mickey. That's cool. Total box value, $114.98. That's awesome. Alright. Main Street Mail. Kicked it out of the park on this one. Very cool. And the last one was all Walt stuff. So all Walt stuff last month, all Mickey stuff this month. Digging it. Alright. If you would like to take a look at our last video, before you go there, check out Main Street Mail's Facebook group. Check out our Facebook group, Disney Dynamicks. You know, they're all good groups, good people. Okay, here we go. If you'd like to check out the last video, click the button right here. And if you'd like to subscribe, please subscribe. We really appreciate it. Click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.